Welcome back to Parkour Kids. Today I'm going to teach you 3 more tricks on this Diabolo. So the first trick we're going to do is leg orbits. So this is what leg orbits looks like. So you do this and you do it around your leg like this. So what you have to do is you have to make sure that the Diabolo, you swing with your right, if you're right-handed, you swing with your right-handed and let it go like this, and then you kind of like fling it up with your left hand and catch it with your right hand and then keep going like that. And a way to practice that is to do it without your leg, and to just do this. Like that. Basically like throwing it with your left hand and catching with your right hand. Okay, on to the next trick. The next trick we're going to do is called Suicide. And you probably get why it's called that name afterwards. Well, I hit the roof, but that doesn't matter. Okay, so this trick is a bit harder. So you have the Diabolo over here. You have to, I just hold it like this. You can hold it like this if you want, or like this. But anyways, as the Diabolo is coming up, as it's like halfway through here, you let go of your left stick or your right one, depending on which way you're doing it. And then it will go over with the Diabolo like that. And then the hardest part really is to just catch the stick. So you just basically just like, you let go of one stick, let it fly over, wait till the Diabolo is halfway, let it fly over, and then catch the stick, and then you're done. Okay guys, on to the next trick. The next trick is called the magic knot. So this is the magic knot. I'm just going to show you. You have to catch the Diabolo and then just pull. There we go. So how you do that is you, hang on, let me just get started. Okay, how you do that? You have to take your right stick, put it, so bring it behind your left stick, bring your left stick back, pull it up over the right stick and around the Diabolo, and back to here. You catch the Diabolo and then you pull and it undoes itself. It's a nice way to end. Okay, let's just do that one more time. Okay, so that was how to do 3 tricks on the Diabolo today. So hopefully this video was useful, and good luck for trying out these tricks. If you want to look up some more tips and tricks on parkour, gym, and Diabolo and circus and stuff, just subscribe to my channel and make sure to like as well.